Hola amigos, bienvenidos. So before starting this video, I'll suggest all of you to watch my previous video where I have talked about the pronunciation of vowels and some consonants. So let's start this video. Today we are going to learn examples of different consonant sounds depending on the vowel, the letters C and G, and then we'll practice and read with the consonants C and G. The letter C. C can be pronounced in two ways depending on the vowel it is followed by. So let's see the two ways. The strong sound K is followed by the vowels A, O and U. And the examples are CA as pronounced Ka, as in Casa, Casa. CO is pronounced Ko, as in Copa, Copa. CU is pronounced Ku, as in Kuna, Kuna. And the next one is the soft sound S is followed by the vowels E and I. And the examples are CE is pronounced Se, as in Sena, Sena. CI is pronounced Si, as in Sien, Sien. Say these words out loud and practice their pronunciation. First one is Casa, Casa. Next is Cisne, Cisne. Next is Cubo, Cubo. Next is Cama, Cama. Next is Cien, Cien. Next is Cereza, Cereza. Next is Cuna, Cuna. The last is Coco, Coco. The next consonant is G. G can be pronounced in two ways depending on the vowel it is followed by. So let's see the two ways. First one is the strong sound G is followed by the vowels A, O and U. For example, GA is pronounced Ga, as in gato, gato. GO is pronounced Go, as in golf, golf. GU is pronounced Gu, as in gusano, gusano. The next one is the soft sound H is followed by the vowels E and I. For example, GE is pronounced He, as in gente, gente. GI is pronounced He, as in gimnasio, gimnasio. When the letter G is followed by UE or UI, you will have two strong sounds similar to the ones for guest and guitar. Just like in English, the U is not pronounced. For example, GUE as in guerra, guerra. GUI as in guitarra, guitarra. In Spanish, there is a symbol called diéresis. You can see the symbol after the word diéresis. When the letter G is followed by the diéresis E or diéresis I, you will pronounce a strong G and the two following vowels. For example, G diéresis E as in eguero, eguero. G diéresis I as in pinguino, pinguino. So that's all for today in this video, and in my next video I'm going to discuss the rest consonants which has exception, And if you have any doubt, please put your doubt in comment box. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos, hasta pronto!